How's it going, YouTube? I got a quick unpackaging of the traxxas. Let me show you guys. Wheel adapter. So it does come with the adapters, the nuts, the screws to keep on the adapters, and the wrench. So that's pretty good. That is the part number. And just gonna go ahead and throw these on and get back to you guys. Just a quick update. I did take them out the box. Did put one on. However, I did have to drill it out in the center because the end hubs here are a bit bigger. So when I try to slide it on, let me see if I can grab one and show you guys. It actually, that hole right there, it's kind of smaller. So when you even try to get it to go, it won't even. So I just drill that hole out, make it bigger, and it'll fit right on like that one did. Good to go. It's just a quick update. Go ahead and keep finishing these off and get back to you guys. Yeah, how's it going, guys? I did go ahead and mount them on all four. So just to give you guys a look how it looked. It was an easy install. Probably order some more, give you guys an installation video, but I was kind of hyped to put that up there. And this wing, I'll get that in a later video. How's it going, YouTube? I got a quick unboxing of the GRP tires. I did, however, get it from Hobby Heroes. Show you guys. And, I did go ahead and get the S3 compound. They were the softer compound. So, go ahead and see how it is. Not bad. Pretty soft. These are for my speed run, so should not come out that bad. I mean, I did go ahead and mount those on there, so I fit those right on the ECS circuit now. I'll go ahead and throw those on and give you guys an update. We're back again. I did go ahead and put all four on there. Give you guys a view. You guys see how it looks. I did go ahead and put this up here for speed runs. The wind apply here and keep the car down for the most part. Go ahead and sit this down. See what that looks like. There you go. I did raise it, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop it real quick for you guys. Let y'all see the difference. Sorry guys about the in and out, so I'm just trying to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. So however, I did have this front bumper turned down, but it kept going too low. So after I took out all the clips or whatever, I tried to put other ones in there. It wasn't getting to where I wanted it to be, so I just turned this fin around, and hopefully I like the way it turned out. But you guys let me know what you think about the tires there. Nice compound, S3. So it is cold out, but I still am gonna run this. So you guys let me know what you think. Don't forget to like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks, guys.